Alright, these are the 3 shiny fire album that I received. These are all CDs. And I got this 3 photos. One for Taemin. One is for Jonghyun. And one for Minho. Yeah, very nice. Okay, now I will now start opening the album. Let's start with this one. I really wish I will get Taemin's photo card. Okay. There you go. And this is the tag, cover tag. Okay. Let's see. Oh, nice, it's red. Okay. And Onyo. Okay, let's see what's inside. And this is the sticker. Shiny. Very nice, right? Okay. Only 4 pages. The cover. The lyrics for Fire and Moon River Waltz. There you go. And the ads for Shiny Fan Club. Right, that's for the first one. I have Onyo photo card. Let's do with the second album.